Hey, welcome to Bullitt Outdoors. I figure I'd give an update on these STI X Comps. For those following along, they are 321014s, X Comp ATRs, and I have approximately 700 miles on these bad boys so far. And they're working out fairly well. However, I wanted to show the tread wear between fronts and rears. So here's the rears, of course. And they are rounding over rather quickly. Edges are getting chewed up. So that's the passenger side rear. Come over here to the driver's side. You can see how rounded over they are. Now we'll go to the fronts. The nice thing about having all four tires on the same size wheels is that you can rotate them. But you can see the fronts are still rather square profile. Edges aren't as chewed up. Overall, I'm very happy with these tires. I'm not sure what I'd rank them as. I mean, I'm not Siskel and Ebert or, what out of 10 or anything like that. What I would say is, would I get them again? I probably would not. Just basically on the weight. And so far the tread wear. These are going to wear out fast. I can already tell. We're at 700 miles. Looks like a pretty good deep cut there. 700 miles, and it looked like that. Maybe with rotations, maybe 1,500 miles, I'm assuming. I have to revisit this at 1,000 miles for sure. And probably again at 1,200. I mean, I changed out the terabytes at 2,000 miles. No, it's actually 2,300 miles. And I could still, I mean, man, I used to dog the terabytes so bad. But, man, I'd almost say that at 2,300 miles on those terabytes, they probably had a little bit better tread than what I'm seeing right now on these X Comps. Interesting. We'll have to see where this goes. But the biggest negative so far has been the weight. And I definitely notice and I feel that weight on this machine. It affects it for sure. Something to keep in mind. Lighter tires definitely are an improvement, in my opinion. I don't know if the carnivores would be something to look at. They're a super lightweight tire. But I'm not sure what the tread wear is. I've literally heard both sides. They wear really well, or they wear really quick. So, I don't know. But so far, they're rocking it, man. They really are. They climb like billy goats. They dig in. All right. Well, I just figured I'd give a quick update. 700-mile update on the STI X Comps. This is Bullitt Outdoors up here in Colorado. If you like what I do, please subscribe. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.